with this one, you have to use a bit of smarts, okay? So what's going to happen here is with question 22, I'm going to have y equals minus 4 over 3x plus 3. I'm going to do the default way. The default way is x equals 0. What happens when x equals 0? What's minus 4 over 3 times 0? So thus the answer will be 3. Everybody on board with that? And then the answer, the first point is 0 and 3. Problem if I use y equals 0, there's going to be there might be a problem. Here's the problem. Y equals 0 means turn the y into 0 and keep everything else the same. I'm going to bring that minus 4 over 3 over the other side. I'm going to get 4 over 3 x equals 3. Next problem then is I'm going to have to get the x on its own. So what do I do with the 3 on the bottom? Multiply it by the 3 direct. It's multiplied by 3 on the right. So I'm going to get 4x equals 9. X equals 9 over 4. I'm not wrong, but it's a difficult. Would you agree that it's a difficult draw? Yeah? Here's what I suggest instead. I suggest you look at the denominator. What's the denominator in this question? 3. Pick any multiple of 3 for your x value and you will not get a dodgy one. Do you get it? If I pick any number that's not a multiple of 3, what will happen? You're going to get a fraction. Because the 3 will divide in equally to any multiple of 3. So Comiskey asked me to try 6. I have no bother with that. You could try x equals 6. You could try x equals 3. You could try x equals minus 3. You could try x equals minus 6. Anything that a 3 can divide into will work. What about for the next question? Choose anything that a 5 will divide into. Does that make sense? Okay, so Comiskey went for 6, and I think 6 will work nicely. Let's find out. Y equals minus 4 over 3 times 6 plus 3. Minus 4 times 6 is minus 24. Minus 24 divided by 3 is minus 8. And as predicted, the fraction has disappeared. And then y equals minus 5. So this is the point 6 minus 5. So I'm drawing 2 points, 6 minus 5. And I'm also going to draw 0, 3. So 0, 3 and 6 minus 5. So where's 0, 3 located? Here. 6 minus 5. 6 across, minus 5 down. And there's your 2 points. Everybody cool with that? Okay, here's what I want you to do for your... I'm going to pause this now. So, first part, I'm going to let x equal 0. Yeah, if you can. Y equals minus 2/5 times my x value plus 1. My y value equals 1. The first point is 0, 1. Then I go to the next point. I'm going to pick any multiple of 5 I want. How many people picked 5? Grand. So I'm going to choose 5. If I choose 5, we already know that's the x value. So I'm going to choose x equals 5. We're going to, if you use 10, you'll get another point, but it'll be the same line. So 2/5 times 5 plus 1. And then you're going to get minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. And many people got 5 minus 1. So 0, 1 and 5 minus 1. So Liam, have a look at this. 0, 1, 5 minus 1. I bet you got the point 10 minus 3. Yeah. See 10 minus 3 is also on the line? So it doesn't matter, you'll get the same line either way. Yes, sir?
I got 1 and 2.5.
1 and?
2.5. Left over got 5 over 2. I got 0.
1 and 5 over 2. No, that didn't work. Let me find out. Let me look for you. X equals 1.
I just looked whether you wanted 5, 6, 1.
Yeah, that's not the method I showed you. The method I showed you was to insert a multiple of the denominator. But look, let's find out what you did, alright? So what you're telling me is you multiply both sides by 5.
Yeah.
So you got 5y equals minus 2x plus 5. Then what did you do?
And then
X equals 1?
x equals 0.
Yeah, you're going to get a...
Y equals 1.
Yeah, the point 0, 1. We got that.
Yeah.
So it's the second point you have in contention. What's the second point you tried?
And then y equals 0.
Yeah, you're going to get 2.5.
Yeah.
Now, it is a fraction. So what you got was the point. You got the point 2.5 and 0. Look at this. There it is there.
Yeah.
2.5 and 0. Make sense?
That's okay.
It's hard to draw, but it's okay. Alright. Next one. Shh. I did 22, 23. I'm now to do 29. 29. Shh. Gents. 29 is even easier than you think. Essentially what they're telling me is that you know the formula y equals mx plus c? You do, we used it already. This is essentially y equals minus 2/3 x, and the c value is minus 3. The c value is the y-intercept, the m value is the slope. So get this, don't even need to calculate 2 points here if you really wanted. There's a sneaky way of doing this. I'll show you the sneaky way of doing it. Okay? You know straight away it crosses at 0 minus 3, don't you? So you could say straight away that one of the points is 0 minus 3. So you can do 0 minus 3 will be here. Now, what's the slope of minus 2/3 mean? What does the slope of minus 2/3 mean? It means across 3 and down 2. Do you see that? Across 3 down 2. Look at this. I'll do some points. What's across 3 down 2 from that? Across 3 down 2. Across 3 down 2. You can go the opposite way as well, can't you? Left 3, up 2. Does everybody see how you can draw a line like that really quickly? And then all of a sudden... Alright, there's your line. Hopefully there's your line. There's your line. I'll do another one really quickly. Okay, last one. Right, imagine I gave you one like this. Imagine I gave you y equals 3/5 x plus 2. What does this mean? It crosses at? How do I know it crosses at 0, 2? How do I know it crosses at 0, 2, lads? The c value is 2, because y is on its own. What's the m value? The slope value. What's the slope? 3/5. That means across 5 and up 3. How easy is it to draw this? Go to 0, 2. Where's 0, 2? There. And what did we say earlier? Across 3 and up. Sorry, across 5, up 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 3. Well, there it is there. So those 2 points will work, won't they?
Yeah.
This point here. Oh, you are being yeah, it's being slightly annoying. Yeah, exactly. Everybody alright with that? Okay. David, what questions did I do there?